This is most definitely a video about me talking about my period. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shade. This is Aisha's Life. So today I'm going to take you on a day of my life using tampons for the very first time. Now that's kind of clickbaity because I have used tampons before, but I'm getting into using organic sanitary pads and things like that, and I'm going to tell you guys all about why I switched to organic, or at least trying to switch to organic, and all what goes into my cycle before we get into this day of my life on my period vlog.
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
First things first, I'm the realist. Drop this and make the whole world feel it. Hey! Anyways, so I'm going to be using these L tampons. Now, this is my first time in my adult life actually using tampons, and organic tampons at that. A couple of years ago, I did try to use tampons, but I couldn't get into it. I just couldn't. So in this thing, it has a bunch of sizes. I think it's between 2 to 3 sizes. I'm so excited because this is my first time. Let's get into what one of these tampons look like. This is what it looks like. This is the applicator and all that good stuff. I'm gonna push it out a little bit. My hands are clean, so don't worry. I came from the bathroom straight into here, and they said this is organic, but this is plastic, so is it biodegradable though? I got the first one in already, like I said, and I am excited to see how this goes today. Now, I'm not going anywhere today, but Friday I am going to be leaving the house. Before I got into using tampons, I was using regular schmegular always pads, or I was using the U by Kotex. I really like those because the wrappers have like all the different colors and stuff, you know, aesthetics. So these type of pads that are not organic, they have this film, like when you touch it, it feels like it's like slick, right? But true organic pads that aren't, you know, packed with all those weird chemicals and layered with chlorine and like all the unnecessary shit that be in pads, it doesn't have that film. It naturally feels really, really soft and dry to the touch. And these are the same company. They're both L. I got this from Walmart. I think this was like $8 though. And a pack of this is probably around the same price. So I was using these always pads for the longest, and then the type of panty liner I was using as well, I believe is always too. This may not be always brand, but I'm not sure. But I like a thicker one because I do have a 6-day period, and day 1 through 3 is a little crazy. And I also do have on one of these panty liners today, even though I have on a tampon, because what if there is some spillage, you know? So this might sound real like naive of me, but I looked up, can you urinate while having like a tampon in? Apparently you can, but to me that just, I don't know, like I'm about to try it and see if I can do it, but it's giving me, girl, take that out and put another one in. Like, it's, I don't know. But I think it's time to change it anyways. So I'm about to see how I feel about after I pee, and then we're gonna talk about it, and then I'm gonna finish up. I don't know about how I feel about peeing and leaving this in. Ugh, I feel gross. I feel gross. I don't like that. Please remember that after and before it's time to put in or take out a tampon or a sanitary pad, it is recommended to wash your hands. Using these tampons is not that hard. Like, it's not hard to put it in, it's not hard to take it out, but I want to show you guys the design of this pad. Oh, not this pad, I'm so used to saying that. The design of this tampon. So this tampon is kind of like flattened, kind of, so like when it goes in you, it's easier than like this round circular situation. Obviously y'all just saw me wash my hands, so it's okay that I'm touching this, but yeah, so like when you put it in, because at first I was like, damn, are all these smashed? Girl, no, that's the actual design. Like, it's designed to, like, you know, floop. Well, you don't put it straight in, it's more of like a curve like this, and then you just, it's fucking cool. I'm enjoying this period so far. It is most definitely almost a week since I've had a period, okay? And let me tell you guys about this last one. I honestly can truly say this was probably the easiest period that I had the entire year that I've been going through this stuff with my menstrual cycle. Now, last year, I was like so dizzy this time. Like, I'm still a little dizzy. Like, I still get dizzy and still have my dizzy spells, but they're nothing compared to like last year. Now, with me following doctor's orders, eating more leafy green veggies and all that stuff, and eating things that have protein in them naturally, I feel like it helped me. But I feel like also I had less cramps while having tampons in. Now, I had one day where my cramps kind of was like, okay, this is annoying. But I didn't have to take no ibuprofens. I didn't have to take no Tylenol. Like, your girl was good this period. So I'm excited to see what the next one's gonna look like. Oh, that's so crazy and cringy to say, because like me wanting to see the next no. Let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comment section down below. Are you guys a pad or a tampon girl? I'll leave a poll so you guys can go, you know, answer the poll that's popped up somewhere and all that good stuff. But thank you guys so much for watching.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.